Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a project that can save you a ton of cash, DIY air conditioner installation. Whether you're a complete novice or just need some extra tips, this ultimate guide will help you get your AC up and running quickly and safely. Ready to beat the heat? Let's jump in. First up, why should you consider installing your own AC? Here are 3 compelling reasons. 1. Cost savings. Avoid expensive labor fees and keep your hard-earned money. 2. Sense of accomplishment. Experience the pride that comes with completing a DIY project. 3. Customization. You get to choose the perfect spot for your unit and the features that matter most to you. Excited? Let's move on to selecting the right unit for your needs. Choosing the right air conditioner is crucial for optimal performance. Here's what to keep in mind. BTUs. British thermal units indicate cooling power. Larger spaces require higher BTUs for effective cooling. Types of units. Window units are perfect for single rooms, while portable ACs offer flexibility. Central systems are ideal for cooling an entire home. Key features. Look for energy efficiency ratings, noise levels, and smart features like Wi-Fi controls. Pro tip: always refer to the manufacturer's sizing guide to ensure you select the perfect unit for your space. Now let's gather our tools. Here's what you'll need. Basic tools: screwdrivers, a level, measuring tape, and a drill. Safety gear: gloves, goggles, and a sturdy ladder. Specialized materials. Depending on your unit, you may need mounting brackets, foam insulation, or sealant. Having the right tools ready will make your installation process smoother. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of installation. We'll cover 1. Installing the indoor unit. 2. Connecting the inlet and outlet lines. 3. Setting up the outdoor unit. Let's begin by installing the indoor unit. Next, connect the inlet and outlet lines. Finally, set up the outdoor unit. Great job on the installation. Now let's keep your AC running smoothly with these maintenance tips. Common issues. If your AC isn't cooling, check for blocked vents or dirty filters. Regular maintenance. Clean or replace filters monthly and inspect seals for air leaks. When to call a pro. If you notice strange noises, leaks, or the unit won't turn on, it's time to consult a professional. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your AC lasts and runs efficiently. And that's a wrap. You've successfully installed your air conditioner like a pro. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips. Got questions or your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and stay cool. Subscribe for more DIY tips.